Welcome to yet another episode of the most fascinating camera in the world. Are you ready to be astounded by the mind-blowing, earth-shattering capabilities of this top-of-the-range camera? Well, strap in, because we're about to dive in to the world of unnecessary features and over-enthusiasm. Now feast your eyes on the camera to rule all cameras. The king of cameras with autofocus so fast it can actually capture a speeding bullet in midair. Yeah, you heard that right. This wonder of technology is equipped with a hyper-intelligent autofocus that can track subjects with the speed and precision of a ninja on roller skates. Take a moment to let that sink in. And now, let's meet today's guest photographer. John is the proud owner of this majestic machine, and he's here to share his unwavering passion for, wait for it, landscape photography.
Yeah, you see, when I'm out there in the wilderness, man, I need my autofocus, and I need it there to be faster than a cheetah on espresso. You never know when those trees and mountains, you never know when they're going to dash for dare and escape.
Because when you're capturing the serene beauty of a tranquil landscape, what you really need is a camera that can lock onto a motionless rock across the valley at warp speed. Who cares about composition or lighting or storytelling in your photos when you have got autofocus that can win a marathon in a 0 seconds flat?
Exactly. And let me tell you about the time when my autofocus saved me from the peril of a stationary rock. It was a heart-stopping moment, I can tell you.
Goodness gracious, the heroism! That autofocus truly deserves a medal for its valiant efforts in the face of such immobile objects. It's a miracle John made it out alive.
Hey, just look at this masterpiece, man. It was just thanks to my autofocus, my lightning autofocus, that I was able to capture every inch of that breathtaking mountain without a single leaf, not one leaf, escaped from my focus. It's what technical prowess is all about. It's the autofocus.
Bravo! Bravo, John. I mean, you have truly proven that when it comes to landscape photography, nothing quite matches the thrill of having such fast autofocus. Even the rocks get motion sickness. I mean, who needs the grace of manual focus or the artistry of contemplative composition when you have hyperdrive autofocus at your beck and call? Oh, it's done in a second. So there you have it, folks, the most renowned landscape photographer with the fastest autofocus system known to mankind. Just remember though, when you're out in nature and that static beauty refuses to sit still, fear not. Your autofocus will be there. It'll save the day. It'll get the picture with its unparalleled rapidity. Until next time, my focusing friends, keep on chasing the stationary objects. And remember, the faster the autofocus, the better the landscape photograph. Or not. But who cares? It's all about the autofocus, isn't it? Autofocus? Am I right?